A very good morning, students. So today we are going to learn chapter 1 in class 9th. The name of chapter is The Fun They Had. In this picture you can see there are two students. One student is having a real book and another one is having a CD. The student who is having a real book, that name is Tommy, and the girl who is having a CD, her name is Margie. So in this chapter we learn the difference of time. What is the education system of today and what will be the education system after 150 years later. So this is very interesting story. I hope you people will understand very well, but only need to pay proper attention in the class, then you can learn each and everything. So let's start. Let's start the story. As already I told you that this is very interesting short story and it is written by Isaac Asimov. Is set in the future. In this phase of human development, science and technology has developed to a great extent. Education is based on the electronic media. The books have developed to telebooks in which the letters moved across the screen. While human teachers have been replaced by mechanical teachers or robots. There are no real classrooms, but in spite of that, there are virtual classrooms. In a virtual classroom, learning is through computer software or the internet is being done. The main characters in this story are a boy and a girl, Tommy and Margie, who find out something about school in the past time. On 17th May 2157, Tommy, a 13 years old boy, finds a real book in the attic of his house. It is real as it has been printed on paper. Margie, an 11-year-old girl, and Tommy took a look at the book together. Till now, they had not seen a real book. They had only heard from their grandfather that there were books written on the paper. They were very excited with their discovery. The book is really old and pages are yellow and crinkly. They found it strange that the words stood still in the year 2057. The kind of books does not exist anymore. Tommy also thinks that such books were a waste as after reading, people used to throw them away. In this time, words are moving on the television screen. This television contains over a million of books. That is the reason why Tommy thinks telebooks are much better. While reading, Tommy says that the book is about school. The school was of old system. Margie hates school and cannot understand why someone would write about it. In this period, children like Margie and Tommy studied in virtual classroom, a special room in their own house. The virtual classroom is a type of classroom and it is situated in the house of the student itself. So now let's. It had mechanical teacher. Margie's teacher was black, large and had a screen on it. It teaches the students, give them exercise and asks them questions. It can also calculate the marks in no time. Margie hates the slot where she has to insert her homework or test paper. Once she was having problem with the learning geography from her mechanical teacher. This teacher has been giving her test after test in geography and she has been doing worse and worse. She hoped that her mechanical teacher would be away for a long time for getting repaired, but the county inspector rebuilt it after 1 hour. He was really nice to Margie. Tommy says that the book which he has found is not about their type of school. It is about a school centuries ago. They they read how students then had a man as a teacher who taught the girls and boys, gave them homework and asked them the questions. They had a special building where all the children went to learn new things. Children of the same age learned the same things. At first, Margie does not understand how a person could be a teacher and how the students were taught the same things because her mother says that education must fit each child's mind. But nevertheless, in her opinion, these schools are funny and she wants to read more about it. It is time for Margie and Tommy for their school. So Margie goes to the classroom which was right next to her bedroom in her house. The mechanical teacher was waiting. The lessons are always at regular hours except on Saturday and Sunday. She was dreaming about the old school system and how much fun the children must have going to school together, laughing, learning and spending time together. So this was the basic information about this story. I think you have enjoyed a lot. Okay, bye.